Subaru WRX wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Subaru wheel spacers can help the WRX with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Subaru WRX wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Subaru WRX wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheel with good 2022 WRX wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Subaru WRX wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. The BONOSS Subaru WRX wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the wheel spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will defy and endanger driver safety under drop impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Subaru WRX wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS Subaru WRX wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in pattern shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and increasing road safety.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.